class is 72. When they...
Hey, do you want any butter on the popcorn?
We're just watching TV.
Come on. Popcorn always hits the spot. Ah. Mm. Delicious. Mm. So, what's on TV?
I don't want to watch this.
Why not? This is fine.
But I saw this episode last night.
Oh, Dancing with the Stars? No way. No way. Lost TV privileges.
We're seriously watching Big Bang Theory again.
Yeah, what's wrong with Big Bang Theory?
Big Bang Theory is for people who actually need a laugh track to tell them what's funny.
Well, leading MIT professors and biochemists say that this show is the best show on television. And intelligent. Where else are you gonna find that?
Okay, so excluding the obscure nerd references, what exactly about the show is funny?
The obscure nerd references.
What else is on TV?
Oh, no, not the nature change this.
This is my favorite show.
Here we spy the male and female of the species in their natural habitat. They are trying to decide what to watch on television. The female is perfectly content with the current program. The male spies an opportunity to assert his dominance and prove that he is a viable candidate for mating. The male lunges for the remote. Oh no! They spotted me! He decides to insist that they change the channel.
Oh, Law and Order. Nice.
I can't believe you. Does the defendant actually believe that Law and Order is an intellectually superior program to all the spectacular wildlife programming on television?
I do, and I'd like to plead guilty on all counts. And I hold that my television taste is overwhelmingly superior to yours.
Well, if you actually had standards, you would realize that wildlife programming is the most excellent show
Objection. Overruled.
As I was saying, you have no taste, and actually don't give a single flying fuck about me.
What do you mean?
You cheated on me. You cheated on me. Are you gonna say anything? Answer the fucking phone.
Hey, I'll talk to you later.
Grass stains, clay stains. Long live your laundry. OxyClean.
Not approved for children under 18.
Both slits.
Agreed. One across.
U is for you and me.
Told for generations, but